Hi guys! Good morning from the Philippines. So another day, another vlog po tayo for today. Gusto ko lang i-flex sa inyo at gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang may generous na puso sa ating YT family. So yesterday kasi sabi niya while doing the live stream, sabi niya is check natin kung merong anong paki-check, kung merong eyeglasses dyan sa store. So, I check it out. So, I get I get a package kung saan meron silang libreng eye check-up, and then chinek ng doctor yung mata natin kung ano ba yung correct vision natin. So, kasi gumagamit ako nung nabibili lang dahil nawawala yung aking dating yung aking salamin ay na-misplace ko kung saan ko nalagay yung may correct vision na ano sa akin, angkop sa akin. So, I go to OJO ng Robinsons Mall, and then bumili po tayo. So, sinukat ni Doc, tinanong niya ako kung ano yung na ginagamit kong salamin. Sabi ko, Doc, nasa 200 ang vision ko. Sabi niya, okay, let's check. And then, thank you. Flex ko lang po ito. Thank you so much kay JS the Rocker. Thank you, brother. Thank you for these blessings na this is an early gift na to my birthday. Too early. So, I bought this one. Let's check natin. So, binigyan ako ni Doc ng 200 din. Oh, ang ganda. 200 din ang vision niya. So amazing. Thank you nga pala kay Shannon na tumulong sa akin para na pumili ng design o ng frame. So it's so really nice. Ang ganda. Look at this. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to my YT family, and thank you to JC the Rocker. God bless, and more power to you. You are a kind of person who have that big heart and generous to other people, and keep it up, and good job, and thank you so much. Yeah.